8 Fascinating Facts About Jellyfish. Jellyfish, an animal that looks like it's straight out of an alien movie, are actually some of the oldest animals on Earth. They've been around for more than 650 million years. While most people are scared of jellyfish and want to avoid them at all costs, it turns out that these intriguing creatures have some pretty interesting secrets. Here are 8 fascinating facts about jellyfish that you may not know about. There are more jellyfish than any other animal. In terms of sheer numbers, there are far more jellyfish than any other animal on Earth. Most scientists estimate jellyfish outnumber humans by 3 to 1. According to some estimates, there are more than 100 million jellyfish swimming in every square mile of ocean. But because most jellies are small, we don't see them. This can make it easy to forget how abundant they really are. Some people believe there may be no natural predator for jellyfish, but if anything does eat them, it's probably not another animal but tiny sea creatures called krill and copepods that feed on plankton. The stings can still hurt, even after death. A jellyfish's stings can still hurt you even after it dies, so if you see one on a beach, don't go picking it up to take a closer look. The stings are filled with nematocysts that can keep pumping out venom for up to 30 minutes after death. So, if you touch one after its death, these projectiles may fire into your skin, causing painful welts and swelling. They come in a huge range of sizes, from 6 inches to 165 feet long. The largest jellyfish are in fact bigger than some people realize. A species called linnecid has been recorded at 65 feet across, while another variety known as colossal is up to 164 feet or 50 meters across and weighs 9,999 pounds or 45 kilograms. Many are bioluminescent. Yes, jellyfish are more than mere alien invaders. Many species are bioluminescent. Their glowing capabilities are based on bioluminescent bacteria called cyanobacteria, which emit blue light in order to ward off predators. The number of species that can produce their own light is said to be at least 20%, so you may want to look up your facts next time before dunking them into your cocktail. There are a lot of jellyfish species. They tend to prefer tropical and subtropical climates, but they've been spotted almost everywhere else as well. There are estimated to be around 4,000 species of jellyfish. That's a lot, more than all mammal species combined. And most of them still haven't been discovered yet. In fact, scientists estimate that less than 10% of all ocean-dwelling creatures have been formally classified by science. According to a 2011 study, there are over 60 species of box jellyfish alone. Most species have translucent bodies so you can see the organs inside. Although you can't see it, jellyfish are made up of 3 different kinds of organs. The mouth-like gastrovascular cavity, made up of the stomach and other internal organs, the radial canals that pump water through the gastrovascular cavity, and tentacles. They do eat meat, including dead fish or whales. True, these delicate creatures can eat meat, but they rarely do. A jellyfish's mouth is on its underside, so it is more likely to accidentally consume meat during a struggle with prey or another predator than it is to deliberately hunt meat. That said, if given a choice between dead fish and a live fish, a jellyfish will opt for protein every time. The gelatinous body of a jellyfish contains food storage pouches called medusae, which allows them to go for long periods without eating. In fact, one Pacific species was observed surviving 2 years without food. As such, when food is available, jelly-eating predators like tuna usually opt for something else. Sometimes they get stuck in fishing nets and end up as far away as China. Unlike other sea creatures, jellyfish don't have a brain and thus no memory, which means they never get lost. In fact, many species of jellyfish are ocean nomads, capable of migrating thousands of miles in one go, even as they go with currents and wind that change course all around them. Research has shown that they sometimes get stuck in fishing nets and end up as far away as China or Korea, suggesting they can navigate their way to open water even if it involves swimming against prevailing currents. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please consider subscribing for more videos like this.